Alright, what's up guys? Gonna lower the volume here on this. Well, that didn't work. Let's eliminate the sound here. That's better. Okay. What's up guys? Tavera Trading back at it today. I think we're on live now. It should be ready to go. Yep, we're good to go. Check my OBS settings. Alright, 5,000, that's good. Alright, yeah, looks like we're ready to go. So today's watch list is going to be CLNN, OCUL, and COMS. And should be about it. We'll keep an eye here and there for other stocks that might have some moves of interest. But for now, we're mainly just going to be focusing on CLNN for now. Looks like we have the clear setup here. We have a pre-market high right here. A little resistance level here. If we manage to climb back above the VWAP, then we get a move back up here. If we manage to get a little climb up here, potential retest on this level, and then a breakthrough off this level. And even if it rejects, let's try to get in at this average. So if we reject back down, we'll have space. Now we just kind of have to wait. Again, there's not much we could do. CLNN is tanking. Let's see if it's able to recover. We're just gonna let the market forces take over, do their thing. Chat's talking about VLON. VLON. Okay, interesting. Do we have news? Why does my voice sound so raspy? I just drank some water. That's weird. Yeah, VLON's gonna halt. My voice is raspy. Hold up, guys. Okay, so we have VLON and OCUL are both the ones that are breaching these new highs. Okay. So we had a previous high here, right? Came crashed down at the VWAP. Oh, that was a beautiful move. That was a beautiful move because it rejected this previous pre-market high, came back down to the VWAP level, which a lot of the buyers stack up at this level. As we see here, we see a huge strong green move for that reason, and then a move, and then they just happened to sell off around this level. So this is going to be interesting. I have CLNN is still in play. COMS I'm not really interested in. I'm liking OCUL and VLON here. Trying to debate what area would be a good entry point for this play. Really depends on how much buying power I have left. Okay, so I don't have that much. Buying at resistance, a little too risky. Sharp rejection there at 4.85. I'm going to drop this resistance level here. I don't think it's going to have any effect on the support. I think it's too close. Or we could leave it here. You know what? We'll leave it. We'll leave it. Alright, so we got VLON 2, which is the one that halted. It has news. Let me check if it has news. Valon Pharmaceutical shares halted on circuit breaker, up 140%. VLON shares moved upward. The market value of their outstanding shares is at 8.3 million. Okay, so no specific news, it seems. Okay, now Valon Pharma stock spiked 51% on the GRI merger update. What is that? At least it has some news, which is what I want. Okay. At least it has some news, which is good. It means the stock isn't just going berserk for no reason. Okay. OCUL coming down. When does VLON get resumed? 30 seconds. Okay. We're going to try to play a dip and rip game. Stock is very cheap. We're going to go in at 250 shares. VLON to be resumed in the next 15 seconds. Let's see if we can make it happen with VLON. Resumption now. Getting a little dip there. Buying that move right there. Average is 1.6. Dip at 11. Buying that dip. 500 shares in. Average is 1.13. Can we get that move back up? I'm going to hold. I think the buyers could overcome this. I'm not going to add more shares until I get the confirmation on the upside. Dip and rip movement is working as expected. Average is 1.13. Getting that dip and rip move. I'll add once we get the move over 1.2. Is that going to be possible? Adding here for the move over 1.2. Now it's looking a little 50-50 now. Five-minute pattern still looks strong. $750 shares in. Trying to get that move off the dip and rip, which I see on the 5-minute here. So on the 5-minute, we're still looking strong. No reason to get stopped out now. Starting to see some green on the tape. I don't have a next profit target, so we're just gonna have to play it by 50-cent interval. I think the hardest part in moments like this is being patient. I tried to get in at a good cost average, low cost average. We'll see if, I think my strategy was very well planned out, but obviously the market does whatever it wants. So if it folds, then it folds. I think my max stop loss would definitely have to be my 1.15, definitely around this at this area. I'll definitely call it. Probably below this 1 minute. This 1 minute candle, I just have this line here at 1.05, since my average was 1.15. I did break my rule of not trading within the first 15 minutes today. I guess we're gonna see how that plays out. Float on VLAN is 6 million float. We have news. Relative volume is 489 times. The overall setup of VLAN still looks good, especially at 5-minute, which is what I'm looking at. I see a 1-minute pattern starting to form on the bull flag, so now we're just going to be patient. I think that's the hardest part. Let's see where VLAN's going to go. If we're going to get that high break or rejection. One minute flag pattern forming. might break through. Gotta get ready to sell at any minute now. OCUL is tearing through. Coming up. So we have VLON and OCUL for our watch list. I'm going to keep eyes on VLON. OCUL looks like it's breaking through that day of high of day right about now. Yeah, it broke it. OCUL might have been the stock to trade, but whatever. I'm on VLON, so. We have a variety of stocks today squeezing up. So today we're looking good. The question is which one to trade. Oof. OCUL and tops are both making new highs. Well, here we are falling on VLON. Come on, VLON, we gonna stop out? That's the one thing I didn't want to do. I didn't want it to close. If it closes, yeah, that's not living. That's not gonna make it out. That's not making it out. All right, let's direct our eyes on something else then, because this did not do us well. Maybe it'll come back, but whatever. I had to stop out at some point. Okay, OCUL. Let's see, what do we have here? With VLON, I just realized that a better stopping area would have definitely been at the break of these lows. That's definitely where I should have stopped out now that I look at it. patient. So yeah, we took that loss, $100 loss on VLON. Not too worried about it though. I'm gonna keep my eyes on OCUL. Just $100, I could easily remake that with whatever. Let's look at tops. It could have taken off without me. $0.09. Okay. How high could you possibly go? Yeah, we're gonna have to stop out. That's what I thought to myself. Alright, so let's see what we got now. I'm gonna leave you looking at OCUL. Oh, I forgot I have a live chat here. Alright, where were we? We have OCUL on the watch. Okay, so we're gonna try to get in through this break. OCUL is my first option. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I'm gonna start averaging in here. Only 150 shares. Seeing if we can get that retest and that breakthrough 4.95. Start averaging in here for that break of 4.94. If it instantly rejects, then I'll be out. But I'll take my patience with it. I'm gonna take my time with it. There's no need to rush. If it crashes, I can at least support a dip at least until 4.8. As long as it seems like it's still building on itself, then I could hold. If it just flushes all the way down, then I'll be out. If we can get a potential, if we can get like a A, B, C, D pattern through here, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna get that break. Moment of truth. Just looking like it might not happen. Gonna double down at the resistance level right there for the break. Hands ready on the sell button in case it goes against my way. Am we gonna break or what? Let's see. It's definitely struggling. Nice string of volume there. We're just gonna be patient now. It could reject that level, which is fine. If it rejects that level, I stop out. I think my only mistake on the day was not having a tighter stop with VLON. I could have reduced that $100 loss to like a $50 loss, but I'm okay with the $100 loss. I mean, my average winners tend to be greater than 100, so. Okay. Now I don't know where my next stop loss level is gonna be. I mean, my next profit target level. I haven't identified that yet off of here. I could try. Let's extend this to the left. That's if it even keeps going up because it's looking like it might reject now. If we do have to call a level for profit target, it's looking like most realistic would probably be here. And that's if we get that level. So as of right now, I'm down 100 on the day. One trade that folded badly. But it was also my fault. I could have had a tighter stop loss on it. Here we kind of averaged in at 4.9. So we have some breathing room. We have some breathing room there at 4.9. If that 4.9 level doesn't hold, then I think the momentum's weakening on this. I want the little area to hold. If that area doesn't hold, flushes down, I'm out. It's all dependent on this next candle here. I try to keep my stop losses loose. It works the majority of the time, but there's always that like 15-20% chance that it doesn't work. This is interesting. This is interesting. But yeah, there's always that like 1% chance. I mean, that 20% chance that it doesn't work, and then I end up with a big loss here. Why it's getting squeezed back up. We're gonna have to see. Well, there's a bull trap. It could be a bull trap. Most likely a bull trap. Didn't look like that was justified by enough volume. Five-minute chart does look good. We could see a breakthrough 5. If we hit 5, then 5.3 could be a nice profit target. We just gotta, just be patient. Wait, let's see what happens. I got space to breathe here. So there's no worries yet. I have something. Oh, my nose. My nose got all ticklish. Okay. No, I might have to sneeze. Is my Wi-Fi lagging? No, it's not lagging. Yeah, and I'm out on that. I don't think I have any more buying power for the day. Then again, it's only 10 a.m. I did overtrade today. I got FOMO'd into VLAN. Five-minute pattern looks good. You could try to run that. I'm gonna try to trade that breakout. Only 150 shares though. Light position because I've already taken too many losses today. The average is 4.995. What I definitely should have done, and I thought about this when it happened. I thought like I had a little thought about it, but I didn't actually do it. was buying at this level when so I thought it came down twice to VWAP and sprung up, and on the third time I remember it came down here, and I wasn't. I thought about like, hey, like, oh, it'd be kind of nice to buy there, but I didn't actually execute it. And the good thing about doing that is that had I bought in there, I could have safely held through all this choppiness without worrying about being at a loss, because I'm already at such a low cost average. And that would have been the benefit of that. My mistake was getting FOMO'd into VLAN. I thought I could play the halt level, but I couldn't. I couldn't play good enough. Saw a flash of green here. So sellers are just more powerful at this level, it seems, at this price range. Have a little resistance area right here. I'm gonna add my last 100 right there. Am I out of buying power already? What about 50? Also? What, 25? There we go. Nope. Alright, well, I'm at 175 shares. I took a big loss on VLAN, which was definitely my fault. Should have kept a tighter stop. And what's going on here? Should have kept a much tighter stop at this area. Instead of selling all the way here, should have kept my stop at the low of this consolidation, just as I would have added at the break of this consolidation right here. And that channel is what I should have played. I mean, even then, this trade still wasn't a good trade to begin with. It was like right 10 minutes after market open. I tried to wait 15 minutes. So that loss definitely had its reasoning. OCUL here. Oh, look, it kind of went up a little bit, I guess. OCUL was on watch. OCUL was a stock that I should have had more focus on instead of trading a stock that wasn't on my watch list, because VLAN wasn't on my watch list, and just because it got halted. I tried to trade the dip and rip, but still wasn't effective. My average here is 4.95. Yeah, after a move like that, it's done. Today, I guess, just happened to be a red day. It happens. See how many trades I had to begin with. Ten orders. Alright, so VLAN is where it folded. Right. And OCUL, at least I stopped out. So OCUL, I played it right. But even then, just my stock selection. I had it good at the beginning, and then VLAN came popping through, and I thought I could play that high, that dip move, dip and rip. OCUL here. I don't know what's gonna happen at this point. I'm just holding. The 4.95 average around here. We got a high here at 5.06. I'm gonna remove this. Gonna write down some notes here. For number 14 on my trading journal will be focus on leading gappers. Gappers as main priority. Don't be FOMO'd. Buy buy stocks breaking new highs. Pumping up. And tops. That was one I should have been trading. Tops. Nice entry could have been here on the VWAP. Should I put the 5 minute here and the 1 minute there? No, even though it's probably gonna be better if I do that, but and I have probably no buying power left. 0. Well, like $50, but not enough for anything. Yeah, I'm just cutting it here. Ah, fuck. Should have been on tops. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately today was a red day. It happens. Could have done things much better. Definitely going to review this live, take some notes, review everything. But yeah, this is part of the process. I don't see losses as I don't know what I was going to say, but I heard once somebody once said that think of trading as a business. Some days you just don't make money. Some days you do. So that mindset is what keeps me coming back every day, even through days like these. Even though it wasn't a big loss, I think it was like what, $100 loss plus the $20 loss, like $120 loss. Nothing crazy. It's still annoying. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. I'm out of buying power, so I'm out of buying power, so I physically cannot do anything right now. But we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you all for joining. Thank you all who joined. We'll be back at it tomorrow.